Welcome today in front of me ZTE Axon 30, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So first let's open our box. This is the case, and let's check first this box. Yes, I think I see the adapter. This is the adapter, and here we can also find the earbuds. So yeah, you can use them with your ZTE smartphone. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.